Okay, let's take a look at the reading settings right here. And front page displays your latest posts. You would choose latest posts if you want your website to function primarily like a blog website, meaning that when someone goes to your domain, they see the latest posts, and that's going to be essentially like a blog. If you want it to function more like a traditional website, where people see first your home page, or of course the nice thing about WordPress is you can actually send them to any page you want as the front page, then you would choose static page. So front page displays a static page. And then WordPress says, okay, what is your front page? And in this case, I only have two right now because we're just setting this up. I'm going to choose sample page. And then the post page will be WordPress videos. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Let me save changes. And then blog pages show at most 10 posts. You can increase that number or decrease it. Syndication feeds show the most recent, however many you want. For each article in a feed, show the full text or just a summary. Okay. And search engine visibility. Discourage search engines from indexing this site. Okay. Now, the reason you might check this box is if you're developing a website and you're not quite ready to have it go live. In fact, in my case, probably right now, because I'm doing this right now for the purpose of instruction, setting it up from scratch. So I'm going to say discourage search engines from indexing the site. Means that it's less likely to be found. It could still be found, but it's much less likely to be found. And that's useful for the development stage. Okay, so I'm going to save changes. And let's see what we have as far as the static page, front page being sample page. Alright, so when I click home, you should see the sample page. And it is. Okay, and this one would be the post page right now. Very good. Okay, let's go on to discussion. Alright, so for discussion settings we have the default article settings. Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article. Okay, those would be other websites that you're linking to. Allow link notifications, from other blogs, pingbacks or trackbacks. This would mean if anyone else is linking to your website, you would get a notification. Okay, allow people to post comments on new articles. Okay, you can change this per article as well. And here are some comment settings. The comment author must fill out name and email. Users must be registered and logged in to comment, so you can set an additional stipulation. Close the comments, articles older than 14 days. Enable nested comments, however many levels deep you think is appropriate for your site. Break the comments into pages with X number of top level comments per page and the first or last page displayed by default. The comments should be displayed with the older or newer comments at the top of each page. Okay? That just depends on your preferences. Email me whenever anyone posts a comment or a comment is held for moderation. Before a comment appears, a comment must be manually approved. I like to check this one. And the comment author must have a previously approved comment. Okay? And then to help prevent spam, hold a comment in the queue if it contains 2 or more links. Okay? And if you want to do anything with avatars, you can do that here. You can set the rating scale and choose an avatar. I'm going to go ahead and save changes here. Alright, let's move on to the media settings. Okay, for media, we're looking at the image sizes here. And the first one we have is the thumbnail size. Okay, so the default here is 150 by 150. You can change that if you like. It says crop thumbnail to exact dimensions. Okay, normally they're proportional, right? So if you don't want, this is going to crop it to the exact dimensions.